Huh? Yeah, hi. Why am I standing here? Are you fucking blind? I'm waiting for the rain to stop. No shit, I forgot my umbrella. I just didn't take it. Not on purpose. Why the fuck are you laughing? I'm not a clown as far as I remember. Why are you standing there like an idiot? Aren't you going home, or I don't know? Don't you have something interesting to do with the other extras? Huh? I go home with you. No shit, I'm going home under the same umbrella as you. Why? Because people could misunderstand. Not that I give a damn shit, but, fine. Let's just go. But it's just because I don't want to wait here. Don't you dare talk about this with your nerdy friends, alright? Let's go. So, how was your day? Huh? No shit, I care. I was just trying to make the conversation. It's awkward. Of course I can be nice. Now answer the question, damn it. Why am I sensitive? It's just you seem down lately. Oh my god, can't you just answer? Okay, listen. I don't care at all what can happen to our shitty classmate and all. Like, I don't fucking care. They're all extra after all. But you are nice to me even when I'm not, and you talk to me. So let's say that I don't hate you as much as I hate the others, okay? No, I don't like you, of course. You know what? Leave it. Stop talking to me. I said drop it. Oi, you really stopping talking to me? Why are you laughing? You're making fun of me again. That's cute. Huh? No, I didn't say it was cute. I didn't say nothing. Let's just walk. Yeah? Ask me a question. Okay, do it. Is there something about you that I like? Your quirk, of course. You're on the top 5 of the class, so of course I like it. If you weren't that lazy, I'm sure you could be stronger though. Huh? Not stronger than me. Don't get too ahead of yourself, princess. No, wait. That wasn't a compliment. I was making fun of you, okay? No, don't take it as a compliment. No. Do whatever you want. You know what? You really are something, huh? Wait. Why are you getting all weird? I don't know, you don't look at me in the eyes and you stop walking. Don't stop walking. Then say it if you have something to say. Why did you stop walking? I'm drenched now. Ugh. Get back here. Okay. I listen. You, what? Say it. Just say it. Okay. Calm down. Oh my gosh. You, what? I can't hear you. Oh my god, you're such a dumbass. Can't you just say it out loud? You. Like me. Like me. Wait, what? I mean, why? What I mean is, I get that you like me, but why me? There is a lot of boys in our class that are more suitable. Half and half, shitty hair, even freaking Deku would treat you better, I think. You'd like me because you know that I'm a good person. That's lame. But thank you, I guess. Me? Oh man. I wanted to be the first one to say it, so you completely ruined my surprise. You really are a nerd. But, yeah, I like you too. Even if you're a nerd, yeah. So, would you go on a date with me? Don't you dare say no.